Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Dear students of grade 10th, I hope you all will be fit and sound. I am going to explain chapter Islamic Economic System from your textbook of economics. In today's lecture, we will discuss what is meant by economic system and how many economic systems are prevailing in the world. Let's try to understand what is meant by economic system. Economic system means the system applied to run the working of economy of a country. It is a collection of rules regarding the dealing of all economic aspects such as utilizing income, public and private finance, etc. Now see the types of economic system or prevailed economic system in the world and their characteristics. There are several economic systems being applied in all the countries of the world. Three of them are the main systems. Number one, capitalism. Number two, socialism. Number three, mixed economic system. And the fourth one is Islamic economic system, which is given by Almighty Allah. We will discuss Islamic economic system later in detail. First is capitalism. Under capitalism, all private individuals and companies own the big and small means of production. Every individual has the right to acquire private property. There is no government interference in the activities of the economy. यानी इसमें जितने भी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है वो प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल और प्राइवेट कंपनीज ओन करती हैं, गवर्नमेंट की कोई इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होती. Profit seeking is the most important characteristic of capitalist economic system. Number two is socialism. Under socialism, the total means of production are owned by the state and government controls all the four factors of production and run the economic activities of the country. It means it's just opposite to the capitalism. Here, state will own and control the main means of production such as land, factories, railway, etc. There is to be no private enterprise. Production is to be initiated and conducted by the state, which will pay wage and other costs and keep profit itself. यानी ये बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है कैपिटलिज्म का. कैपिटलिज्म में सारे फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल ओन कर रहे होते हैं, जबकि सोशलिज्म में ऑल द फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आर ओन बाय द स्टेट. तो इसमें गवर्नमेंट का मोटिव प्रॉफिट करने के बजाय सोशल वेलफेयर का काम करना होता है. Number three is mixed economy. Mixed economy is the combination of capitalism and socialism. In this system, production is controlled by private entities. However, the state reserves control over all such entities. अगर हम इन तीनों सिस्टम्स की बात करें तो हमें इस वक्त वर्ल्ड में प्योर कैपिटलिज्म और प्योर सोशलिज्म कहीं भी नज़र नहीं आता. हाँ, कुछ कंट्रीज़ ऐसी ज़रूर हैं जो इन सिस्टम्स के करीब हैं और आप कह लें कि ज़्यादा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक किसी सिस्टम के उनके अंदर हैं. जितनी ज़्यादा एडवांस कंट्रीज़ को अगर हम देखें लाइक कनाडा, अमेरिका, वो हमें कैपिटलिज्म के ज़्यादा करीब नज़र आती हैं, कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी है. इसी तरह अगर हम सोशलिज्म की बात करें तो चाइना, रूस, हम इनकी एग्जाम्पल्स को सोशलिज्म में ले सकते हैं. बाकी जो मोस्टली कंट्रीज़ हमें वर्ल्ड में नज़र आती हैं वो मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी है, यानी प्राइवेट एंड गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर्स मिल के जो है वो काम कर रहे हैं, इकोनॉमी को चला रहे हैं. बिकॉज मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी हेल्प्स अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज टू हैव फास्ट एंड बैलेंस्ड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. Number fourth is Islamic economic system. Islamic economic system is given by Allah and based on justified rules. It is useful for all the men for all time. The Quran also clearly states that Allah has made business lawful for you. The Islamic economic system is the collection of rules, values, and standards of conduct that organize economic life and establish relation of production in an Islamic society. These rules and standards are based on the Islamic order as recognized in the Quran and Sunnah, which was developed over the last 1400 years by thousands of jurists, responding to the changing circumstances and evolving life of Muslims all over the globe. You know that Islam has described each and everything related to human life. So how it is possible कि वो economic laws को बयान ना करे? तो इस्लामिक इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम वो प्रिंसिपल्स और वो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बयान करता है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम अपनी इकोनॉमी को रन करें तो तमाम इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो जाएं। आई होप concept of economic system will be clear in your mind. Thank you for watching this video.